Hey Put, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I want to ask you if you have noticed people smoking around campus. Lately, it feels I like have been sitting in more often.
Yeah, I've noticed that too, especially near the main gate and outside the cafeteria. Every time I walk by, someone is smoking.
Hey, no, Rick. Yesterday I was walking to my morning class and I helped to pass through a group of people smoking. The smell stayed on my cluster of wild.
That happened to me too. I don't smoke, so I find the smell really unpleasant. It's more worse when the smoke blows directly towards other students.
Exactly, I don't think people realize how much second smoke affects everyone around them.
Some of my friends have asthma and they are really sensitive to cigarette smokes. Even being around it for a few minutes can make them cough or have trouble breathing.
That's one of the reasons why I think people should be more concerned of the when to smoke. They also do it smoke that doesn't bother of people.
I agree. I think everyone has the right to make their own choices, but they should also respect shared spaces.
Is your campus sponsored to make smoke free?
As far as I know, yes, I remember reading about it in the student handbook during orientation.
The one those so many people ignore the rules.
I'm not sure, maybe they don't think anyone will stop them, or maybe they just don't know where the designated smoking areas are.
That's possible, but if we actually see people smoking right next to a no, smoking is hard to believe it did not taste it.
Yeah, that's pretty frustrating. Rules don't really mean much if nobody follows them.
Do you think the university solved every one of the rules were strictly?
I think so. Maybe they could have security staff remind students not to smoke in restricted area instead of immediately giving them a punishment.
That's unforgiving. People are remain first called help. Some students read no everyone are replicating the rules.
The university could also put up more signs around campus or send reminders through email and social media.
That's a god. It call of an organization campaign about the gods. Second, smoke and waste, smoke-free speech are important.
Yeah, education is sometimes more effective than punishment.
Another thing I found notice is that people often grab both of the ground.
I've seen that too. It makes campus look dirty and someone has to clean it afterward.
Exactly, a clean campus creates of better everyone for everyone.
I think keeping the campus clean and healthy should be everyone's responsibility, whether they smoke or not.
And completely agree and not just about following the rules is about lifting other people.
Hopefully, more students will become aware and of their action affects others.
Yeah, and don't expect everyone to stop smoking but about a couple of days more. Concern about where the doing it.
Same here, if everyone respect the campus rules and each other, the campus would be a much more comfortable place for everyone.
Thanks for talking about with me.
No problem. Hopefully, we'll see some positive changes in the future.
I hope so to see you in class later.
See you. Hey Ariel, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's on your mind?
What do you think about students nowadays using AI for studying and doing assignments?
That's an interesting case. Personally, I think AI can be very useful if student is used in the right way.
What do you mean in the right way?
Well, for example, using AI to understand different concepts, summarize notes of grade, raise question thoughts, they can help students learn more effectively.
I see your point, but don't you think some students rely it too much?
Yeah, that's definitely a con. FC student ask AI to the tell and explain instead of going to work themselves.
Exactly, that's what worries me. Sometimes it feels like students are becoming too dependent on technology.
A student that come, but I don't think AI is the problem. The problem is how people push it.
Can you explain?
Take a board. Comes the can help students solve math problem faster, but students still needs to understand the form and concepts in editing. AI is similar.
That's actually a good comparison.
I student or AI as a learning tool. It can be beneficial, but if the user is to afford learning, it becomes a problem.
And have you ever used AI for studying?
Yes, quite often last week student biology topics called I asked how to explain in the simpler terms. It really helped me understand the lesson.
That's pretty useful. I've mostly used it to check my grammar and improve my writing.
She is a great example of using AI responsible.
But what do you think about critical thinking skills? Some teachers say AI might make students think less.
I think that can help a student in be a shape every effort to get students solve still question information and very fast.
That's true. AI isn't always correct.
Exactly, something is can make a mistake so student need to evaluate the information rather than trust in immediately.
So, in your opinion, should school encourage students to use AI?
Ethics schools taught the student how to post problem of the main incomplete.
Why do you think so?
Because I is becoming part of everyday life, many jobs are already stopped and future crime will probably them if more.
That's a fair point. Learning how to use AI responsibly could be an important skill.
If students solve learn how to work and about the sort also develop the workload and abilities.
So, if you had to summarize your opinion, what would you say?
ADCA is a powerful tool that can make learning easier and more effective for students. Salt and the depth of the for everything in salt support learning, not replace it.
I like that answer. I think I agree with you.
What about you? What's your opinion?
I think AI is helpful, but students need to be careful not to become lazy. As long as it helps people learn rather than avoid learning, I'm okay with it.
That are also few.
Thanks for sharing your opinion.
No problem. I was a dream edition.